Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making immediate changes you can sustain. Put your phone out of reach and set a 30 to 90-minute focused block. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb and disable every non-essential alert so interruptions stop nudging you. Now identify the top trigger, boredom, habit, or social anxiety, and choose one replacement action like reading, walking, or calling a friend. These prerequisites reduce friction. They force the first behavior changes that let the rest of the plan work. Next, systematically replace scrolling with tiny habits. Schedule 5 to 15-minute activities you actually enjoy and can repeat. Make sure to use tools like app limits, screen time reports, grayscale mode, or a minimalist launcher to reduce visual pull. Once you have those in place, track your progress daily and celebrate short streaks. This reinforces the new routine. Pair social cues with new actions. When you feel the urge, stand, breathe, and do the micro habit before checking the phone. To finish, formalize maintenance. Create weekly phone-free windows, perform a short review, and adjust rules as life changes. If you relapse, don't judge, audit the trigger, reduce friction points like notifications or apps, and reapply a simpler rule for a day. Once done, enlist an accountability buddy or a commitment device, like a locked box or a scheduled check-in, to handle hard days. This keeps you on track and turns temporary fixes into a lasting habit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.